She says she'll be waiting for me. She says she'll be lonely for me. I want to go home. I cannot go home. I got a letter. Behold the day. It came from our sweetheart, too far away. She said to be tried to be true, but now she found somebody new. I want to go home. I cannot go home. Send me to follow. Give me my palm. I want to fight till I die, and never come back, and never come back, and never come back, and never come back. I am a soldier. I do what I'm doing. I'll be a soldier till I go old. And if my sweetheart is saying I fight for my country's sake, I will not go home. I cannot go home. I cannot go home. I cannot go home. Thank you.